You're a junior intermediate teacher in Ontario and you're feeling uncomfortable and overwhelmed about the fact that you have to implement a brand new curriculum in September, I have a really useful comparison that's going to help you be able to see and visualize exactly what your explicit morphology instruction could look like in September. When I tutor a student one-to-one who's significantly behind in reading, a session is focused on a specific skill. So we do say, for example, short E. We look at the letter, we say E, we have a key word, we say edge, we make the sound, we talk about how our mouths look when we make the sound. Then we're going to do some phonological awareness, word building, word chaining activities. We're going to do some dictation so that they can apply that skill. And then we are going to read a text that's controlled for the skill that we're working on. So a text that's really heavy with short E. This kind of instruction meets my student where they're at and gives them so many opportunities to engage with the word with a lot of guidance, and then a lot of opportunities to practice and apply their knowledge in spelling or encoding and in decoding. Your explicit morphology lessons can mimic and be structured exactly the same way as those phonics lessons are in the primary grades. You could select a Latin root that appears many times in the novel that you're reading with your student. I just finished analyzing the novel Red Wolf by Jennifer Dance to determine which Latin patterns are occurring most frequently so that we can maximize our explicit instruction and make sure that our Latin morphemes are connecting with the novel that people are reading in class. 6 different times that the Latin tract appeared in that novel, 3 times in the word distracted, once in traction, and then once in a great one, non-retractable. In your intermediate grades, this kind of explicit instruction will look similar to the phonics instruction in the primary grades, but instead of reading a decodable text, word building, and guided spelling activities for a single sound or a single phoneme, you will do these activities for a morpheme. If you'd like to be added to the list of 50 middle grade novels that are being analyzed for Latin patterns, I have the link in my profile.